Meaning of half hour.
Half hour.
Half hour.
Half hour.
Half hour. The term half hour refers to a period of time that equals 30 minutes or half of an hour. It is commonly used as a unit of measurement for time, especially for scheduling and time management purposes. The concept of half hour can be traced back to ancient civilizations who relied on sundials to measure time. Today, half hour continues to play an essential role in our daily lives, from setting meeting times to cooking food. Understanding the meaning of half hour is critical in maintaining punctuality and productivity in various aspects of life.